Hello again, my precious. This is a new video on my channel and we continue learning Ukrainian together. I hope today's topic will be useful for you. And if you don't understand something, please, I remind you, write me in the comment. And I will give you some explanations and some tips. But let's go to our lesson. Let's start. Дієслова руху. Похідні дієслова. The verbs of motion, derivatives. So we are going to talk about some derivatives of the main basic verbs of motion. So let's continue. Похідні дієслова від дієслова ходити. Derivatives of the verb to walk. So we put some prefixes here and we have a derivative. So, ходити, ви ходите, вийти, to go, to come out. So, відходити, відійти, to go away from. Here are some examples. Я виходжу з університету. I'm coming out of the university. Відійди від мене. Go away from me. Prefix під. Підходити до, підійти до. To come up to. Він підійшов до мене. He came up to me. Доходити до. Prefix до. Дійти до. To come up to. Я доходжу до університету. I am coming up to university. Заходити, зайти. To go, to work in. Я заходжу в університет. I'm walking into the university. Again, we see the two parts. One is perfective, one is imperfective. So the first part is imperfective. The second part is perfective. Переходити, перейти. To go across, to cross. Я переходжу вулицю. I'm crossing the road. Приходити, прийти. To come. Я приходжу в університет вчасно. I come to the university in time. Проходити, пройти. To go through between. Мені треба пройти між банком та поштою. I need to go between the bank and the post office. Сходити, зійти. To go down. Ми сходимо на наступній зупинці. We go down this bus and the next station. Сходитися, so we put here postfix sa, зійтися, to get together. Завтра ми зійдемося знову. Tomorrow we are getting together again. So you see again, first part is imperfective, so it's a process, and the second part, it's like perfective state. It's just the action just happened, like in present perfect, for example. So you see the difference, I hope. Let's continue. Похідні дієслова від їхати. Derivatives of the verb to go by transport. So again, приїхати. To have come, arrived by the transport. Він приїхав в Україну минулого року. He came to Ukraine last year. Від'їхати. To have driven off, departed. Автобус вже від'їхав. The bus has already departed. Під'їхати. To have driven up, closer to. Машина під'їхала до університету. The car has driven up closer to the university. Заїхати. To have caught at a place. По дорозі додому ми заїхали в супермаркет. On our way home, we have called to the supermarket. Виїхати. To have started. Він виїхав сьогодні вранці. He has started to go somewhere tomorrow in the morning. Проїхати. To have gone. Covered distance. Ми вже проїхали нашу зупинку. We have passed by our bus stop. We have gone by our bus stop. поїхати. To have left for, gone to by transport. Він же поїхав додому. He has already left for his home. Доїхати. To have reached a place. Я вже доїхала до стадіону. I have already reached the stadium. Переїхати. First is to have moved to a new place. We have come to another flat last summer, or to knock out someone. It's переїхати to buy a car, for example, a very sad example. So, and other derivatives of the verb. Бігти, to run, лізти, to climb, летіти, to fly, повсти, to crawl, плисти, to swim. So here we have some derivatives. Бігти, вибігти, to have run out, відбігти, to have run off away, збігти, to have run down, підбігти, to have run up to, перебігти, to have come running. Тобто ми, so we from the imperfective state with such prefixes, we do perfective. Лізти, to climb, вилізти, to have climbed up, злізти, to have climbed down, прилізти, to have come climbing. Again, imperfective, perfective with the prefixes. Летіти, вилетіти, to have flown out, залетіти, to have flown in, відлетіти, to have flown off away, прилетіти, to have come flying. Again, this is the same. Imperfective, perfective. Повсти, to crawl, imperfective, and perfective, such forms. Виповсти, to have crawled out, відповсти, to have crawled off away, підповсти, to have crawled up, приповсти, to have come crawling, сповсти, to have crawled down. And the last one, плисти, to swim, виплисти, to have swum out, відплисти, to have swum off away, відплисти, to have swum up to, приплисти, to have come swimming. So, you can screenshot these examples, and I hope they're clear for you, and we continue talking about derivatives and managing some practice. Потренуємося. Let's practice. So here we have the sentences and in brackets some motion verbs. So you can stop the video, write down the answers, so in a particular form, yes, and then we will check and compare my answers and yours. So let's try to do it, and then we will check and I will explain. Відповіді. So here we have the answers. Some of the forms. So to see the forms of verbs in different tenses, you can watch my other videos. Actually, I have lots about them. I will leave a hint somewhere here for you to check. But here are my answers. So first one, я виходити in brackets з дому. I'm coming out of the house. Я виходжу з дому. Давай сходити у кіно. Let's go to the cinemas. This is preposition. Давай сходимо у кіно. So, ми сходимо. We will go. Yes? So, this form. That's why. Як мені прийти до вокзалу? It's a little bit tricky one. Because we don't change here anything. Як мені прийти до вокзалу? So, it's a question. How can I get to the railway station? Таксі під'їхати. Можете виходити. The taxi has come. You can come out. Таксі під'їхало. Можете виходити. Вони заїхати за нами о 6. They will come to us at 6. Вони заїдуть за нами о 6. Він переїхати до Києва. He has moved to Kyiv. Він переїхав до Києва. That's a correct variant. Шпаки відлітають восени. The starlings fly away in the autumn. Шпаки відлітають восени. Український спортсмен припливти першим. Ukrainian sportsman has swum the first. Український спортсмен приплив першим. Here is the form. Діти вибігли з хати, щоб зустріти тата. The kids ran out of their house to meet their dad. Діти вибігли з хати, щоб зустріти тата. So I hope some practice will clear your mind. Here we have different forms, and I hope they're clear for you. And to learn more about the forms of the verbs in different tenses, just watch my next videos, and maybe you'll understand more. And if I won't forget, I'll leave a link somewhere here about these forms. So, this is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you enjoyed it immensely like me enjoying doing it. I hope you like the sounds I used in this video, and I hope everything was clear for you. And if it is not, I remind you to write any comments you wish, and I will try to answer all your questions according to the topic and not only about the topic. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe not to miss any other videos, and please share it with your friends who wants to learn Ukrainian, and we will see each other next Friday. Bye bye.